Good morning, dear Shem Stars. How are you all, students? I hope you all are safe at your home. Students, yesterday we have learnt about the mean of the data. So today we are going to start about the mod of a grouped data. So let us first understand what is the mod of a data. Students, mod is that value which occurs the greatest number of times in the data. When each value occurs the same number of times in the data, then we say that there is no mod. If two or more values occurs the same number of times, then there are two or more mods and the distribution is said to be multi-mod. So that means mod is that value of the data which occurs for the maximum number of time. So here, because it is the group data, so the value of xi where maximum frequency is there, that will become the mod of the data. So next comes the formula for the mod. So mod is given by L1 plus within bracket f1 minus f0 over twice of f1 minus f0 minus f2 within bracket outside with multiplication with I. So the values here are L1 stands for the lower limit of the model class, f1 the frequency of that model class, f0 the frequency of the class that preceding the model class, f2 is the frequency of the class succeeding the model class, and I is the class size of the model class. That means if the frequency class interval is given as 0 to 10, 10 to 20, so here class size is 10. Similar way, the values of f1, f2 and f0 will be seen. Now let us understand how to find the mod with the help of an example where we will be going to use this formula. So the example is the given distribution shows the number of runs scored by some top batsmen of the world in one-day international cricket matches. The table shows runs scored and the number of batsmen. So between 3000 to 4000, four batsmen were there. 4000 to 5000, 18. 5000 to 6009. Similarly, the rest of the data from 10,000 to 11,000. So next they were saying find the mod of the given data. Next is the solution for the same. So students, in the given table you can clearly see that the maximum frequency, that is the number of batsmen, lies in the run score 4000 to 5000. So that means 4000 to 5000 becomes our model class and its corresponding frequency is 18. So thus our maximum frequency is 18. So our model class is 4000 to 50,000. So next is the lower limit of this class. The lower limit of this class L is 4000. F0 means the frequency of the previous class, that is 4. Next F1 is the frequency of that class only, that is model class only. So here it is 18. F2 means the frequency of the next class to the model class. So that here it is 9. So next is to substitute all these values in the given formula. So mod is L plus f1 minus f0 whole divided by twice of f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. Here the height of each interval or the width of each interval is 1000. So we are substituting the values and solving the same. So on solving we are getting the mod as 4608.7. So students, remember that the mod of any data lies between that model class only. Students, I hope you have understood the concept of mod clearly, that mod is that value of the data which occurs for the maximum number of time or which has the maximum frequency. So do revise this again, and tomorrow we will be starting with the topic of median of a grouped data. That's all for today, students. Do revise what we have done in the class, and if you have any query, please feel free to ask on the Google Classroom. Take care and have a great day ahead.